I have just noticed after filming that my lip gloss has done that thing where it like, you know when it like collects at the sides of your mouth? I'm very sorry if it looked like that for like the last half of the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I thought I would do a pretty chilled like PO box unboxing haul slash PR haul. Basically this haul is going to be a lot of stuff that I have accumulated recently from like brands that have really kindly sent me stuff. Oh my god, is that a spider? Oh, I looked over and saw a bit of fluff on my pillow and I thought it was a spider. And I thought it might be quite nice to just mention the brands and for you guys to tell me what you want me to review. If you have a problem with these type of videos, then feel free to click off and go and watch another one of mine, because I actually posted 4 videos last week. I had a bonus video that went up yesterday on Sunday, so if you're not up to date, then have a little scroll back through my channel. I'm also joined by my super shady looking iced coffee. I shouldn't really be drinking it with my Invisalign, so if my dentist is watching this, I'm very sorry, but I'll brush my teeth after this video. Today's post notification shout out goes to Izzy King, and she said, your channel is growing so fast, notification squad. Also, I wear your highlighter palette every day. It would be so amazing to get a shout out. Thank you so much, Izzy. I'm so happy that you like my highlighter palette. As always, if you guys want to be involved, just turn on my notifications down below, leave me a comment, and I might shout you out in my next video. The first thing I'm going to start with is what is on my lips, and I actually got these this morning, and I instantly wanted to test these because when I was younger, I used to love the Barry M lip glosses just because they smell amazing. I used to have one that smelled like a strawberry milkshake, and I'm quite sad that they don't smell like that anymore. When I first read these, I thought it said gloomy because like the S's look really weird. I don't really know if you'll be able to see from back there, but these are the Gloss Me Up lip glosses by Barry M. I've got 4 shades here. I think these are going to be $4.99, and I'm pretty sure they're out already. The one I've got on today is called Vibe, and it's quite a pale nude, so this one is definitely not going to work if you've got deeper skin. They smell ridiculously sweet, so but I know that some people don't like that because it kind of makes them feel a bit sick. So just a word of warning, if you are like particularly sensitive to very strong smelling sweet things, then you're not gonna like these. This one is the one that I've got on right now, and they're just really nice. They're not sticky at all. I've then got a pink one which is called PDA. I'm not going to swatch this because I think I'm going to put this in a future giveaway because I don't really wear pink lips. There will be a giveaway coming up in one of my next few videos, so just keep your eyes peeled for that. I'm not going to like announce it. It will just be in the middle of a random video. And then I've got this one which is called Peekaboo, which is a bit darker. This one is more of a darker, more... well, this one's kind of like pinky as well. And then I've also got one which is called Sugar. And Sugar is a very pale pink, but this one is quite sheer, so I think that that would probably work for the majority of skin tones because it's not too, like, pigmented. The next thing that I want to talk about are some notebooks. I did actually mention these on my Instagram stories. A lot of, like, stuff that I get sent, I do feature on my Instagram stories. If you're not following me over there, then go and follow me maybe. I just thought I'd mention these in a video because I actually got sent some more of these, which is so nice. Okay, the brand that, if you guys remember my Taylor Swift or Taylor Swift mug, it was by a brand called Central 23, and I've also got a Taylor Swift notebook by them. They make really nice quality notebooks, and I think you can buy them in Urban Outfitters or you can buy them online. They made me a notebook with my face on it. I guess I was showing like some love for their stuff. They said, here at Central 23, we love your feed. Recently we sent you a notebook. We hope you loved it. We had a few left which we thought you might like, maybe to send to your followers. If you do decide to post about them, please give us a mention at Central 23. Thank you so much. Like honestly, this is so cool. Just a little thing that I want to say. Okay, this is gonna seem like I'm really ungrateful, but I just want to say, like, if any brands are watching this in future, please like try and consider the environment. The amount of things that have to go into, you know, just the dustbin and that can't be recycled because they're these big crazy packages that have got like foil and like bits of like glitter, and you know, some of them have got like screens. Like a lot of the stuff can't be recycled, and so much of it just ends up going into landfill. And I got this from Benefit, which is the new Gimme Brow Plus, which I absolutely love. Like, don't get me wrong, I love the product. I think it's great. They've just relaunched Gimme Brow. I think this has got like a new formula and it's really good. I've got the shade 3. I think because the brush is so tiny, it's just really great stuff. But when this arrived, the rest of the package is just this like thing which is supposed to be like a vinyl record wall plaque type thing, but the reality is most people are not going to keep this. I mean, maybe they will, I don't know. It's got all the information on the back of it and stuff, but they could have just put, you know, the product in its tiny little box and then maybe a leaf, like just a sheet of recyclable paper with the information on, because like I can't recycle this and it just makes me really sad because I try to do my bit for the planet and I don't know. But honestly, like I'm so grateful to be actually sent these things, but it just breaks my heart a little bit that a lot of it can't be recycled. The next thing is the mascara that I'm wearing right now. This is the Kiko Stand Out Volume Buildable Mascara. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that they actually sent this with a balloon. I do quite like this, like I do think it's a good mascara, but it's just not my favourite from Kiko, because my favourites, absolute favourites by them, were both limited edition, and they were the Mini Divas mascara. That is like one of the best mascaras I've ever used, but I think it's now been discontinued, so Kiko, if you're watching, please bring back the Mini Divas mascara in like permanent form. And then also the Into the Dark mascara I absolutely loved, but again that was limited edition. This one is still good. It's got like quite a weirdly shaped brush. Can you guys see that? It's got like a kind of round bit at the end. Oh wait, is it twisted? I don't really know if that... Hello? Ghosts? It's a pretty good mascara, but it's just not my favourite from them. But this is out now, I think. I always feel like not worthy when I get sent something that's like high end, just because my channel has been mostly like drugstore based for ages. When I get sent something high end, I'm like, are they sure they sent this to the right person? This is by Cover FX and it came in this like velvet box, which again is very nice, and to be fair, I could probably actually reuse this box for something. They very kindly sent me 5 different shades of their new foundation, and I think this foundation comes in 40 different shades, which is a big win in my eyes. So I was able to find my pretty much exact shade match. The one that worked for me was, I think, this one in the middle, which is called N20, and this is actually what I've got on my fin. I was gonna say skin and then I was gonna say face, and it just kind of came out as fin. I've got this on today and I actually really like it, which I kind of didn't want to like it because I think it's £38, which is a lot for a foundation. It looks like a really small bottle, but you actually get 35ml, and these are like plastic, so it's not too heavy. And the way that this comes out is it's got a little like squeezy tube, so you can control how much you take out of it and stuff, but it's got like a semi-matte sort of finish, and I like the coverage of it. I just think it's really nice. It's called the Power Play Foundation. Did I say that already? I don't know. I'm going to see how this lasts throughout the day actually and see what I think of it later on. If I remember, I will put something on my Instagram stories about this. If I forget, somebody tweet me. Next up is the Urban Decay Beached collection, and I kind of want to do like a full... Oh, did I just get gloss on my jumper? I kind of want to do a full video on this. If you guys would like to see that, let me know, because I want to get back into doing reviews on makeup items that you know, you guys might be interested in buying. Even though I get sent a lot of things in PR and I have, you know, like good relationships with a lot of brands, I still want to stay completely true to myself and like honest. So if you guys want an honest review on this collection, let me know. I'm not sure when this is launching in the UK. I know it's out in America already because America always get everything first, but it opens like this, and then these are the shades. They just look so pretty. There's lots of warm tones, and then there's a couple of blues as well, which I quite like because I feel like colour is kind of coming back for the summer. Could just be me, but I personally have been liking experimenting with a bit of colour recently. Yeah, so they swatch really nicely, and I'm so interested to see how these work on the eyes. They've then got 2 bronzers in the collection. Wait, how do I open this? I've actually tried this before and it's a really nice bronzer actually. So this is this one. They've got 2 eyeliners, and then they've got 3 different lipsticks, which are in a red shade, a kind of metallic... Oh, they've got 2 metallic shades. So if you guys want to see a review of this collection, let me know. And then got a couple of bits from MUA. I have the 15 shade Colour Burst palette, which looks like this. It's got lots of bright colours. Let's swatch the red, orange, green, blue. They are a little bit powdery, but then I haven't tested this on my eyes, so I can't give like a full true you know, full opinion on this. Oh, I just put that on my cat. I'm so sorry. I then got some metallic lip kits, which have got a matte liquid lipstick and a holographic lip gloss. There's a purple one. Oh, you can't really see because the box is like holographic, and this box is actually holographic. However, the lip glosses inside are not holographic. They're just like duochrome. And then there's also, okay, then there's more like a nudie one. And then there's also an eye gloss kit, which has got a loose holographic glitter pigment and eye gloss. This is gonna sound super shady, but this is just my honest personal opinion. I don't think I've ever worn a metallic like liquid lipstick outside of the house. Maybe like if you're going to a festival or like for a costume party or something, but does anyone actually wear holographic or like duochrome or metallic liquid lipsticks? I don't know if that's just me, but I feel like every brand under the sun has come out with metallic lipsticks. Okay, so this comes with a matte liquid lipstick and then like a shimmery one. So this is called Charmed. Looks like this, which is a pretty mauve sort of colour. And then the one that goes with it is a pearly sort of gloss, I think. Yeah, okay, this definitely feels like a gloss, and it's like a duochrome pink colour. Out of all of them, this is probably the most wearable one. The other ones have got like glitter in them. I've then got some more like glittery metallic lipsticks from Lottie London. These are called Glitter Switch. These remind me a lot of the Ciate Glitter Switch liquid lipsticks, where basically you put these on your lips and then you rub your lips together and it's supposed to make them like glittery. These are £6.95 and they're launching in April 2018. Oh, well, it's basically nearly May already. So I'm gonna swatch this one, which is called Wanted. It's like a mauvey pink sort of colour. So yeah, when you put it on, it looks matte, but then let's try and rub it. I don't really know how well you can see that because it's so far away. Oh yeah, okay, for sure. And the second like I wipe my finger off, this looks a lot more glittery. So I think you gotta wait for them to dry and then you rub your lips together. The girl that they've used in the picture is stunning and it looks really nice on her. So I've then got two foundations by Bare Minerals that I think they must have seen my video where I tested out a lot of like high-end makeup. They sent me some of their foundations a couple of weeks ago, which was so nice of them, but they were actually too dark for me and I couldn't use them. So I just received these in my PO box and I guess they must have seen it and sent me some more, which is so kind of them. Like I was literally gonna buy these off of Feel Unique because they were on special offer, but I just didn't get around to it, and then the next day they just like turned up and I was like, okay. So I have the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Liquid Foundation. I've got this in the shade Champagne 03. This is a really good match for me. I actually wore this the other day and I do actually really like it. It's really nice. It's kind of like a lighter coverage than what I would normally go for. It's kind of like medium, but as an everyday foundation, it is a really nice one. And then they also sent me powder foundation, which is in Fair 01. And this looks like this, and this has just got like a little bit of coverage to it, which I really like. I really like these kind of powder foundations that add a little bit of extra coverage to your makeup, but I do need to test this out more to like give my final opinions on it. Next up, I've got some Macadamia Oil, which I have always wanted to try. I remember people like way back in the day on YouTube used to rave about this stuff for your hair. It's just the healing oil treatment, therapeutic oil for all hair types. So the reason I never got it is because I think it's pretty pricey. It's like £25 or something. You do get 125 ml, so I don't know. I feel like for these things you need a very small amount, but if any of you guys have tried this, let me know what it's like. I've then got a couple more hair care bits by, I think this is a brand called Design Me. I've got a blow dry in half the time cream, which sounds great. Repels excess water, blow drying your hair just got 50% faster. If this actually works, I feel like that's gonna save my life. That's the Power Dry Me spray by Design Me. They've then got the Fab Me Mother of All Hair Treatments. What is this? Detangling Mist. Yes! Whoops. I just went to spray this, and because it says it was a mist, I thought it was gonna come out like but it came out in like a thin stream and it's just sprayed somewhere in my room and I can't see where it's gone, but it was quite a lot of it and it's definitely gone somewhere. It smells good though. And then the final thing is a volumizing cloud mist called Puff Me. Apply lightweight powders to create maximum volume. Spray 2 to 4 inches away from hair, focusing on the roots. Style for instant volume. Oh, what the hell? Okay, that's just put powder all over my room. I thought it was going to be like a dry shampoo. I need to just put these products down. Oh my god, it's literally all over my room. The next couple of bits that I've got are from MAC, and this is the Patrick Star collection, his second collection, which is so cool. Like, how pretty is this packaging? And this is the blush, which is really, really pretty looking. He's then got an eyeshadow quad, which looks like this. I love the packaging, it's so cute. And they've got like some really bright, fun colours in here. Those shades are intense. Okay, these seem like pretty nice. I kind of want to test these on my eyes. I've got the Queen P lip gloss, which is like a hot, hot pink. Personally, I don't really think I would wear that, but the packaging is really pretty. And then the final one is the lipstick, which is called Hey Boy Hey. How gorgeous is this packaging? I think it's so pretty. Let's try and not get fingerprints all over it. The final things that I've got are from Ofra. They've really kindly sent me a box of stuff. They sent me a DM on Instagram and said, is there anything that you want to try? So I literally replied saying, oh, thank you so much. I would love to try the new Pillow Talk highlighter, which is this one. This is actually the highlighter that I'm wearing today. It is absolutely gorgeous. Like, Ofra highlighters, in my opinion, are the like best formula of highlighters ever. They are pretty damn expensive. Like, I think on Beauty Bay in the UK you can get them for like £25, which is a lot, but they are so pigmented. Okay, watch this. Like, doop. Like, you need the tiniest amount and they are just so beautiful and pigmented. This one is like a slightly more pink version of Glazed Donut. Glazed Donut is more white, this one is more pink, but I absolutely love it. So like I said, you can get these on Beauty Bay if you're in the UK or like Europe, or if you do want to shop on the Ofra website, I do have a discount code, which is just SOPH30, I think, and it gets you 30% off the whole site. It is an affiliate code, which means if you use my code, I get like a small commission from it. So if you guys aren't cool with that, then that's fine. You don't have to use my code, but I just thought I'd put it out there. They also then sent this beauty sponge, which as you can see, I have used, and this is actually pretty nice. Then I did also unbox some of this stuff on my Instagram stories. There is an eyeshadow palette, which is called the Radiant Eyes eyeshadow palette. Incredibly pigmented, that's that one there. And then they also sent me some skincare bits. I've got a makeup fixer, a foaming vitamin C cleanser. I've got the Pearl Peel exfoliator, which my friend Talia absolutely loves. The peptide brightening mask. Like, there's just some really nice goodies in here. So thank you so much, Ofra. So kind of you. And yeah, I can't wait to test everything out. I am now covered in makeup, like all over my hands. So guys, that is it from me. I'm really sorry if this video was like really long. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. And let me know which ones you want me to use in like future videos and stuff down below, like what products you want me to test. I hope you guys are all doing well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! And it's gone. These cats are having a party back there. I don't know. Oh, I've only just noticed that he's knocked over my cushion.